All right, guys, welcome back to Nerd Chic and Ask the Nerd. I am reviewing today the MyCharge Adventure battery backup for USB charged devices. So this could be for phones, it can be for other USB powered devices or whatever. And I absolutely love this thing. This is my favorite. One of my friends, when I was traveling in a third world country, told me, if you're gonna travel the way you are, you need something like this MyCharge to do what you need to do. So here's the thing. The first thing is this guy is super durable. It's waterproof, or at least water resistance up to a certain amount. Even the USB ports seal in this plastic sealed little area. So it's gonna survive being rained on and everything else, and it has. I've had it clipped on the outside of my bag before, and it's survived rain and so much more. But you can see that it has two charging ports, right? Or two USB charger ports, so that you plug your USB into it and you charge your device. And then it's got, this is where you charge it back up. So it's a little micro cord, not specialized, so you can use any of them. Plug it up and drip charge it. I literally have a power strip that has USB ports in it, and I plug it up and just plug it straight in there and it charges up. Let's talk about the charge. Here's the power button. I want to show you, you can see the lights light up to tell you how much power's in it. This means it has a full charge. It's broken down into 4 lights. The lights turn dim as it outputs charge. What's really interesting about this, and this is what's really cool, this MyCharge Adventure that's fully powered right now, that's holding a full charge, really is. This joker has not been used in probably 5 months fully. So I charged it and it's been sitting and it's still for full charge. Why do I love that? Because every other charger out there I've ever used, it's run down by the time I need it. So if you needed an emergency, there was a hurricane coming through and we were in a power outage, I went it'd been sitting for 6 months, clicked the power button, it had full bars, went and charged 2 phones, 2 iPhones at the same time, and still had charge left to do it another 2 times. What other device out there can do that? As a matter of fact, on the trail, this guy right here will last me for weeks charging one iPhone over and over. I'm telling you, the MyCharge Adventure, they way undersell this product. So whenever you get on and they say it can do up to this and it can do up to that, this is the only charger out there I've ever found that literally does better than it says. So you can find it at mycharge.com. There's the model number. Now let's show you just what it does whenever it charges up. Again, as I'm doing this, don't forget to go to our www.askthenerd.net webpage for more freebies like this, and hit the comments if you've got any questions or comments. This is fully charged, but it's running right now. You see that it does this, and it'll alert you when it goes down. It will be an hour from now before this thing goes down any. So guys, I'm telling you, as far as any other device out there, this is the one to go get. There are smaller versions. There are versions that hold less charge, but I firmly stand behind the MyCharge Adventure, and there's the model number AVC10G-B. I'm just telling you, this guy is awesome. It's worked for me. I've had this for years now. I want to say I've had it for 3 years, and it still charges exactly the way it did before. It's still holding the full charge. Again, sits for 6 months, has 4 bars. It's going to charge this phone, and it'll charge this phone up another 4 to 5 times at least, lasting me for weeks sometimes. So, with that said, thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Go to the askthenerd.net website for more freebies like these. And stay in touch, guys. We love hearing from you. You guys take care.